welcome to this channel. If you're just joining, my name is Chibuzo and I visit places around Nigeria, and today I'm at this location here in Ekiti State. I'm going to show you the massive ongoing school project of the permanent site of the University of Science and Technology in Ekiti State. I came here to show you what's going on in this area, to show you the massive ongoing school project. If you can look right behind me, there are these are the ongoing school projects. You can see the land stretches from around that entrance. The entrance is around there, and it's a very big project. So come with me while we go and explore and see what is ongoing today at this site. So let's go. So if you are new here, guys, I would appreciate if you kindly like and subscribe to the channel. This is the only tool of supporting me. Please, I really appreciate it. Thank you. For now, I don't really know which building is which here. I can tell you guys this is what this particular building is for, but all I know is that everything you see around here is the proposed site for the permanent site for the University of Ekiti State of Science and Technology. It's a very huge project, as you can see from here. It's very big. So guys, I've been trekking down for the past 10 minutes from the entrance to get to this particular section of the project. So let's see what's over there. I'm not going to lie, this whole place is a very huge space, and more than the temporary sites where they are currently using. This is so massive. Check this out. Let me get closer. If there's one thing about this place, it's so hilly. Like it goes up this way, it's so hilly. So most definitely run out of breath when you are coming up here. I'm tired already. You guys can see from here what's currently going on over there. Hold on. I wish I knew what each of the sections of this place are, so I can explain as I walk around to see what's going on. Man, this is big. There's still another project ongoing down there, as you can see. Wow. I wish there was a proper drone shot to just show you guys what this whole place looks like. I'm gonna lie, it's so big. There are still other ones going on down, which I can't see. I'm not sure the camera can get it from here. Man, this is massive, I'm not going to lie. Make my way to the other side. Can't trek all of this right now. It's not going to be an easy one for me. As you can see, I don't know what this one is. But we don't want to just go in and trespass to avoid someone harassing me or asking me questions. So I'll just walk around like this and show you guys what's going on inside here. Check these views out, guys. Look at these views from here. Look at the views from here. Wow. All this place. I don't fit three color there finish. I go like you now. Just cover the lid so I can show you guys, just to have a perspective of what's going on. This place is too big to trek. I don't know what section this is. I don't know any. I can't identify which section or which is written all of what's going on here. I'll tell you guys for a fact that this particular one is a hall. I don't know what hall. I just know that this one particular is a hall. This one. So in all we've seen so far, this is just the only